This is a major year for crypto. The US House approves crypto bill FIT 21 with a wave of Democratic support. FIT 21 bill is really important because not only is it the first time a major crypto bill has cleared one of the chambers of Congress, but it also aims to establish regulations for defining what a digital asset is and then what are the government or official bodies to govern it. Is it the SEC? Is it CFTC? Right now, Republicans slightly control the House and Democrats slightly control the Senate. And as of just a few hours ago, the SEC approves 8 Ethereum ETFs, including BlackRock and Fidelity, because of course. This comes just 4 months after the agency approved spot Bitcoin ETFs for the first time, and you can bet that Solana ETFs are going to come next. The SEC approved the ETFs from BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, Bitwise, VanEck, ARK, Invesco Galaxy, and Franklin Templeton. It's unclear how long this process will take, but some analysts are speculating that it could take weeks. I think that if they work extremely hard, it can be done within a couple weeks, but there are plenty of examples of this process taking 3 months historically, added Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert. Prior to this week, it really felt like the SEC was not going to approve the Ethereum ETFs. Now that the ETFs have been approved, what are the effects, importance, and significance? Well, let's ask AI. A few things, right? The importance and significance of all this is 1, increased accessibility and mainstream adoption. Now investors can invest in it through traditional investment vehicles like brokerage accounts and retirement funds, lowering the barriers to entry. Which leads to point number 2, influx of institutional capital. This ETF is expected to attract substantial institutional capital from your typical major players, BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco, and this inflow of institutional money could significantly boost Ethereum's market cap and liquidity, further driving up price appreciation, or in other words, number go up. This also gives more regulatory clarity and legitimacy to Ethereum and obviously the broader cryptocurrency market, and doing so could help create an environment that is conducive to development of more sophisticated financial products and services for Ethereum. Short-term wise, I don't see a lot of major price action because this approval has already been priced in for the most part. We're back to the highs that we were around March 12 and 13. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. It's gonna take time. You're not gonna be able to just buy an Ethereum ETF today. Okay, last but not least, in terms of significance for this ETF approval, you have global competitiveness and adoption. Also, in related crypto news, the House passes a bill barring the Federal Reserve from issuing a digital dollar. So the House of Reps has voted against the Fed putting dollars or something similar on the blockchain. And this matters because CBDCs, which is what this would essentially be, they're a growing trend around the rest of the world, but the US has dragged its feet. And just like the FIT 21 bill that was passed by the House yesterday, it is on its way to the Senate, where it remains to be seen what will happen. I don't really see this as that big of a deal because the CBDC already kind of exists and it's called the USDC/USDT. And these stablecoin issuers have at times frozen these assets based on tax or pressures from other government bodies. Whether you like it or not, this election year is going to be majorly shaped and impacted by crypto. There are a lot of single issue voters in the crypto space who have a lot of influence, a lot of pull and sway. This is going to be a really, really big election year. I'm already exhausted just thinking about it, but I think one of the easiest ways to take advantage of all this attention and money that is going into the election year is to buy some Biden and Trump coins on your favorite blockchains. And for me personally, that would be Bitcoin and Solana. I think a couple of fun plays would be on Solana, where you have Dolan Trump with a market cap of 107 million. And Joe Biden, market cap of 202 million. why not buy both? Either way, I do think the results of the election is going to be a sell the news moment. You can screenshot this. We'll revisit it in a few months. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!